Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Mirror Neuron, which means watch and learn. And today I'm going to share with you, probably you've already heard it, but very interesting news came from MIT. They have released a very interesting course on deep learning, and the website is intro to deeplearning.com. Yeah, and trust me, this course is going to cover a lot that you would not have learned from somewhere else, and they're all free. The videos would be available in YouTube, so again it's it's very easily accessible. It also have a lot of projects during the course as well as after the course, and of course some of the things are reserved for the students at MIT, but nonetheless it's a very good content. I've already watched the first few lecture series. They're beautifully explained and you will get to learn a lot of new things there. So if you see the course description, yeah, they have done the labs in TensorFlow, again very simplified and bite size, so that you can grasp the concepts at ease. And obviously there are some basic prerequisites, which is calculus and linear algebra. I think if you are already doing machine learning, you should be familiar with that, and they are teaching this course in Python again, so again you might be already familiar with that. So interestingly, they have a very basic introduction to deep learning. When I saw that, it was like haha, it is so easy, right? They have explained it in such a well. The slides, which is a PDF, very easy to read, and they have used big fonts so that you don't they don't show you too much at a time. Very nice strategy. And the videos are all available in YouTube. The first course is the introduction to deep learning. The second is the natural language processing. You can also say the time series modeling, and so that's why we have the deep sequence modeling. Then there is a project where you would be using TensorFlow to create music. You'll be using the same TensorFlow to identify digits and etc. using deep learning neural networks. Also they call it as deep computer vision. And then they have the generative modeling. Again, very popular these days is the GAN models, right, where you're creating new images for art, or creating new faces, and probably, who knows, in the future we might be using AI generated faces for movies and TV shows, right? All right, very interesting project is this facial recognition system. You'll see the challenges, the pros and the cons of these methods. And then a couple of videos are upcoming, so probably they will be released in February or in March, right? But stick to it. I also saw a few lectures are coming in April, but then nonetheless it will take us a little bit of time to grasp all the concepts, so it will give us that breathing space. Deep reinforcement learning, then the limitations and what are the latest findings, and then we have the neurosymbolic. I'm really waiting for this one. I always wanted to learn this, and maybe MIT portal will be the best one. And then I'm also willing to do my final project. I'll be mostly doing that in Google Colab, where I am also allowed to use GPUs and TPUs. All right, so I think this is gold, right? So I hope this short video will make some interesting I would say it will encourage you to go to intro to deeplearning.com and see all this content by yourself. And plus it's free, why not? And the PDFs are so interestingly written, you can actually complete them in 10-15 minutes, and the interesting part is you'll also learn them. So I hope you'll give it a try. Nothing harm in that, right? And how do you like it? Please do share it in the comment section, so that we can all share our ideas as well. All right, let's see. And I'm especially interested in completing this course.